So guys, now I'm here at Fila and I saw that they have 60% off, so let's check it out. Now we have their rack over here. I can see a lot of sneakers with a lot of feet because it's like less than 2,000 pesos. Like over here, this is a basketball sneakers. It's only at, you saw that? 1,999 pesos. They also have these low-cut version over here. These are, there's no price. This one is 2,299. This one is 2,500 pesos. This one is just about 3,000 pesos. For ladies, for girls, 1,799. So let's check out the others. These Fila running shoes is 2,399 pesos, guys. White color, same, 2,399. Actually, like this. This is quite decent. Really nice. 2,500 pesos. These are nice white leather sneakers. Other running shoes. If you're looking for running shoes, this is only at 1,699 pesos. Very affordable, and it's Fila. If you're looking for more of a streetwear sneakers, they also have it here. These are only for, believe it guys, 999 pesos only. So imagine you can go here and get a lot of sneakers below 2,000 pesos. It's crazy. This one, 1,300 pesos, guys. And you already, it's a branded sneakers. Guys, these sneakers looks like the Ultra Boost or the Flyknits. It's only at 1,299 pesos. Another Fila sneakers, same as the others. This is 1,299. Different colorway. These are in leather. It's not in canvas. Same 1,300. 1,300 or 1,299. These are a little bit more expensive. These are 1,399 pesos. But guys, come on, it's below 2,000 pesos. This Fila outlet store here at Hacienda Mall is really crazy. Again, 1,299. $1,299, guys. Another sneakers, decent looking one. I'm not sure why I don't see these kind of sneakers in Fila at the normal stores in the malls in Manila. They're keeping it here, guys. These are at 2,200 pesos, guys. Very soft, very light. Neoprene material. Another very good deal. 2,300 guys. It's like a fly knit type material or prime knit like material from Fila. So it's very affordable. 2,299 pesos. You won't believe this, guys. These are like the laceless of the Ultra Boost. It's very light. And you know the price? 999 pesos only. Oh my god, this is crazy. $2,399 guys. $1,899 pesos. These are more expensive. This is at 2,499 pesos, so about 2,500. But still, guys, I haven't seen any sneakers on this outlet shop that is over 3,000 pesos. So guys, this white sneakers is only at 2,299 pesos. It's very light. It's like knit material on top. Very clean sneakers. 2,299 pesos only. They also have here like similar to a Stan Smith, and these are only at 1,899 pesos. Premium leather, soft to the touch, light. It's even lighter than the Stan Smith. Fila. If you're looking for an outdoor sneakers, they also have it here. These are only at less than 2,000 pesos. It's 1,999. Another good white leather sneakers. This is only at 2,500 pesos. Very clean. Amazing sneakers. This one is at 1,699. Very nice. You have a camo print on the toe cap and the heel counter. Decent sneakers for the price. Slip-ons, leather slip-ons guys from Fila. So these are only at 1,500 pesos. Decent one. Very clean. Man, you should visit this shop here. Definitely a good deal. So this is at 1,299 pesos. Similar to the Ultra Boost. If you like bands, this is similar to it, and it's only at 1,299 pesos. You just have a Fila brand, but who cares? Another good canvas sneakers. So this one is same one, 299 guys. So guys, another black leather sneakers. This one is at 1,399 pesos. Navy leather sneakers. These are at 1,399 pesos.
If you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.